Keeping track of school updates often feels like a full-time job. Between pinging group chats, scattered email threads, and crumpled flyers buried in backpacks, critical information easily slips through the cracks. To fix this, we use the Communication Hub. It serves as the single, reliable source of truth for both school administrators and parents. In this module, you will learn how to filter out the noise to find specific announcements, navigate detailed event agendas, and sync school events directly to your personal schedule. Standardizing communication through one portal removes the guesswork. Everyone in the school community operates from the exact same verified timeline. Step 1 is mastering the announcements dashboard. This area categorizes the high volume of daily notices, so you can quickly locate what is relevant to you. Looking at this interface, the summary cards at the top provide an immediate snapshot of active notices. You can see the overall total count right next to the exact number of updates directed at students versus everyone else. If you need to locate a specific update, use the intelligent search bar right below the cards to filter notices targeting specific grades or sections. Below the search, you will find your pinned and recent announcements. Clicking an item opens its full narrative body, providing you with all the necessary context in one view. When an announcement includes required policy documents or supplementary files, those are attached directly at the bottom of the interface for immediate access. Notice the Acknowledge button. For certain critical updates, parents or staff must click this button to confirm they have read the material. This mandatory interaction registers on the back end, granting administrators an accurate audit log and officially shifting the accountability of receipt back to the user. Next, we move to the Events module. This section features a dual-view architecture because different types of planning require different layouts. This is the default list view. It acts as your tactical, immediate action list, laying out individual cards so you can quickly review active registrations and upcoming events. To look further ahead, you can switch the interface to a longer-term strategic layout by clicking the calendar toggle in the top left. This month-at-a-glance format shows the overall density of the schedule. It is highly useful for tracking major holidays and busy periods. By offering both the immediate list and the broad calendar, parents have the exact tools they need to preemptively manage scheduling conflicts. Clicking directly on any specific event opens a comprehensive detail pop-up. Here we see the details for the Tamil Students Marathon. The top-level status badges instantly communicate how the event is categorized and who can attend. Scrolling down reveals the event agenda. This breaks down the schedule, emphasizing exactly when different groups need to report at their staggered intervals. Centralizing logistical data like this eliminates the need for repetitive inquiries to the front desk regarding arrival times. To make tracking even easier, the platform features an integration that pushes this localized agenda directly to external platforms. With a single tap action, you can port the event directly into your personal calendar. This connection includes a real-time update mechanism. If administrators alter a time or location, that change dynamically overwrites the data on your personal calendar automatically. Live syncing guarantees the school community is never operating on outdated or compromised information. When an information hub is deployed correctly, it actively improves the operational health of the school. Administrators recover significant time previously lost to tracking down manual confirmations and fielding phone calls. Moving forward, advanced system integrations will expand this capability. Important financial deadlines will soon map directly onto this master schedule. The school has successfully converted unpredictable chatter into a streamlined, centralized command center.